Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I have something really exciting to share with you all. We're going to dive into the amazing world of browser extensions and learn how to enable the star's dynamic background in the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Trust me, this feature will take your browsing experience to a whole new level. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to right-click with your mouse on the Turn Off the Lights icon. This action will open the context menu. Next, click on Options. In the Basics tab, click on the fourth icon. The Dynamic Background Feature tab will become visible. Enable this checkbox to see the effects in the preview panel. For example, you can select the fish tank, but you also have the option to change it to any other effects. Let's choose Stars. Now it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Go back to the YouTube tab, and click on the Turn Off the Lights gray lamp icon. Isn't it amazing? Congratulations! You've just enabled the star's dynamic background in the Turn Off the Lights extension. And there you have it. Enabling and customizing the star's dynamic background in the Turn Off the Lights extension is incredibly easy, and it adds such a magical touch to your browsing experience. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing with Turn Off the Lights. See you in the next video.